Welcome to my YouTube channel, Truthspiration, where you discover yourself and discover your hidden power. Okay, and I'm doing this video uh, because of someone asked for it. Okay, so I'll be doing this video, and it's going to be a very quick video. Okay, um, it's going to, and the title goes, "How to use alligator paper to get good grades in your exams." Okay, good grades. We don't want to pass the exam, we want good grades. So we are being very specific. Yeah, we want good grades. Okay, you can even go further. If you want A's, say A's. Okay, so we're not just aiming for just good grades, we're aiming for what we want. Okay, so it's going to be very simple. It's going to be a very simple video. Okay, it's not going to take a lot of time. So I have my alligator paper here. So what you do is that you just take some seeds. All right, let me move my phone to the other hand so I can take it. So moving your phone to the other hand, the alligator paper to the other hand doesn't mean anything. So the seeds are very small. Okay, they're very small, so you might not see them when I put them in my mouth. Okay, so you take them, and what you do is that you take the seed, then you put it in your mouth like this, then you chew. Okay, it's pepperish. You can feel the hotness of it, okay, coming up. Okay, so you begin to say what you want to happen, and you have to be very, very, very specific. You have to be very, very, very specific. You can say, I want to succeed in my exams. I want to get A's in my exams. You do it over and over again. But the most important part of it, like I always say in my videos, is your intentions. What are your intentions? How do you feel inside of yourself, okay, when you're doing this? Do you really believe, okay? Do you really see yourself actually passing? Okay, because most people are already failures even before the exams because they do not have the right mindset towards the exams. Okay, all right, they already see exams as something that are very unsure of. They're not sure of anything. They're not sure of it. The uncertainty of an exam, not knowing the question, the fear of the unknown, so it puts you off balance and, cripples your faith. But you need to believe. And most importantly, you need to know what you're doing first of all. All right. So the purpose of this is just to help you propel good luck. Okay. So that day you won't have a vigilator that will be so strict that you can't even ask your neighbor for anything, and the person will just ask you to go out or you fail the exams. All right, so good luck so that you can also pass. Okay, so that is what you should ask for. You should ask for things that are empowering. Okay, that will empower your exams. Okay, that will empower you in passing. Okay, so that is what you should be doing. Okay, you should be doing that. So I'll be putting my own recommended prayer. Okay, after taking the alligator paper and chewing it, you have to swallow it, then speak what you want to say. Okay, so I'm just doing it out of demonstration. I'm not having an exam to do. Okay, I'm not having an exam to do, but you need to understand that there is power in your words. Okay, there is power in your words, and when you have the alligator paper in your tongue feels like it has power to actually speak things to being. Okay, it has power. Okay, so you know that your mouth has power at that point. So that is why you're using the alligator paper in the first place, to speak. Okay, so I'll be putting so if you need my own recommended prayer, okay, so you just ask for it on the comment section, and I'll be replying you the prayer. Okay, use that. My mine is very specific. I designed that for you, so all you just need to do is comment, and I will reply you the prayer. Okay, so you can use it. All right, thank you.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.